Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and take good care of your health. Happy Nag Panchami. Today is Nag Panchami, and Nag Panchami is celebrated by Hindus in most part of India. Nag Panchami is celebrated on Panchami in Shravan month. On this day, they worship Nag Devta. Okay, and people go to temples and snake pits and they offer milk and lahis to God and worship to protect them from evils. They also fast on this day, and this festival is celebrated for the day Lord Krishna defeated the serpent Kaliya. So today let's do one activity on Nag Panchami. Okay. Now we will prepare one paper snake. For this, take any rough paper and cut like this 4 strips. While cutting, please take help of your parent. Now first we will join the 2 sticks together like this, and also these 2 sticks together, so that you will get a long strips. Now what we have to do, take one strip and put another strip on that. See, like this we have to put and stick here. Okay. Now wait for 1 minute. Now what you have to do, see, fold this one strip like this, then the other strip you have to fold from this side, then again this strip fold it back. Okay, then again this strip fold it back. Like this we have to fold the strips, overlap on one another. See, then again this strip here, again this strip, fold it here, again this strip, fold it here, and again this strip. Like this, continue doing this till the end. Now at the end we have to stick gum over here. Okay, and just join this end portion, and same this portion also. And now see, just open it. Now we will prepare its face. Take one paper and cut it into oval shape. And draw 2 eyes. You can stick white paper on it, or you can simply draw 2 eyes and mouth. Okay. Now take red paper or any color paper or newspaper and cut like this tongue, and then now we will join this here, back side of it, and then now you have to join this mouth here. See, and like this our snake is ready. Okay, now we will prepare another snake. Let's see. Take one paper and this much size. You can use any waste paper or newspaper. Then fold it from the middle. It should be in a rectangle shape, a long piece of paper. Then again we have to open it and from one side fold it to the middle line, and from this side also fold it up to the middle line like this. Okay, now open the paper and again fold it from the middle. Now we have to cut this paper where it is fold. See, the folding side we are cutting, and leave some space in the starting, and then see how I am cutting. Only up to the middle line we have to cut, and like this. Please take help of your parents while cutting. See, like this to the whole paper we have to cut it. Where we have to cut? Where the middle portion. See, and continue till the end. See, now open the page, and now we will stick this paper, and see how I am sticking. This portion we have to stick over here. See, so that it will look like this. Now stick it properly from both the side, and now the starting portion, just press this starting portion so that it will look like its mouth. Okay, and now draw eyes, or you can stick paper on it for eyes. Like this, at mouth, and now cut like this shape for its tongue, and from the back side we will stick it. Okay, and see, our snake is ready. Like this we prepare 2 activities of snake. See, now we will prepare one more activity. Here I have taken flour. आटा जो है हम लोग जैसे रोटी बनाते हैं वो आटा मैंने लिया है. Then you have to add some salt and turmeric powder in it and knead a dough like this. Take help of your parents. अगर आपके पास clay है then you can use clay, okay, and any color. Now we will prepare a snake from it. Okay, it's very simple. What you have to do, just prepare like this long, see, ऐसे आपको इससे लंबा पहले बना लेना है. आपको जितना बड़ा डोव लेना है आप ले सकते हैं. ओके, सी ये टेल के लिए छोटा ऐसे पतला बनाना है हमें इस तरफ, एंड देन some thick from this side, and just roll it on your hand. If you have clay then you can use it, otherwise you can take flour and prepare like this. आपको जितना बड़ा बनाना है उतना बड़ा आप बना सकते हैं. डोव छोटा बड़ा लीजिए तो आपका स्नेक भी छोटा या बड़ा बनेगा. एंड सी इस तरफ आपको थोड़ा सा बड़ा रखना है, एंड यहाँ पे से थिकनेस कम कम करते जाना है हमें. ओके, इससे हम लोग अलग अलग और भी चीज़ें बना सकते हैं. सी इस तरह से पतला पतला बनाते जाओ. और अभी हमें क्या करना है, कोई भी प्लेट लो या फिर कोई भी प्लेन सरफेस लो और उसके ऊपर इसको रखो और इसे ऐसे टर्न करना है ऐसे. और अभी जो ये एंड का पोर्शन है इसे आप सिंपल ऐसे प्रेस कीजिए थोड़ा सा और ऐसे टर्न कीजिए. सी उसका माउथ जो है वो तैयार है. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, पुट 2 like this black pepper, it's spice. आपको स्पाइसेस सिखाए थे ना, उसमें से ये है ब्लैक पेपर. सो यूज इट एज इट्स आइज. नाउ टेक अ स्मॉल पीस and we have to prepare its tongue. Okay, see, just you have to prepare like this, roll it and we'll prepare its tongue. See, roll it like this on your hand. Now fold it and just keep it from the back side. See, and see, your snake is ready like this. We prepared like this activities. Now you have to prepare this activity and worship Nag Devata on the occasion of Nag Panchami. Okay, thank you.